Namaskara, dear friends. In my 40 years of work, I've learned that true change comes when we pause and look within. From this journey, I created two simple tools, the doHow readiness assessment for individuals and the doHow chakra assessment for companies. If you often feel tired or unappreciated, despite giving your best, the doHow readiness assessment helps you see what drains your energy and how small changes can bring peace, clarity, and confidence. Visit dinakarmurthy.com/readiness. If your company faces daily stress, follow-ups, or confusion, the doHow chakra assessment shows where the system loses energy and how to make the work flow easier for sustainable growth. Visit businessdohow.com/chakra. Wishing you all the very best, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.